Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Guess what? My KitchenAid food processor broke. Sad. And I replaced it with this, and I am so glad I did.
Do I love my new food processor? Yes. Do I miss my old one? Not really. This thing is fantastic. I cannot say enough about how much I love this. My favorite thing about it is that it's cordless. That's right. You can charge this thing. I haven't had to charge it yet, and it's still running for me. So it holds a very long charge, but you charge it up and you can travel with this. So if you are going camping, if you're going to a cabin and you know you're going to have to do some cooking there, this is going to be your best friend because you charge it up and you're ready to go. Look how easy it is to put together. It chops perfectly. So it can go as fine as baby food. It can do a rough chop. Right here, I'm making chili, so I needed onions and several other vegetables to cook with. I just put a minimal amount of onion in there and it chopped it up just fine. I love that it has this non-skid bottom. The glass bowl is 5 cups, so that's a nice amount, and I could put whatever I need in there. You put the top on and then you're ready to go. It has 2 speeds. It has a low speed that's great for vegetables, and then it has a high speed that's good for meat and ice cubes and tough vegetables like carrots. I love the stack and press design. It's so easy to use that my daughter can use it. She likes to make homemade salsa, which is the best salsa I've ever had. And I know that she's going to be safe. It's so easy to clean. You just rinse it out or put it in the dishwasher and you're ready to go for the next use.
I love this food processor. I love how well it works. I love that you don't have to plug it in, and I love how cute it is. But that's just my point of view.